from Creative Solace Studios. My name is Kathleen Arola-Johnson, and yay! I have just finished my 5 supplies in 5 minutes mini journal. There are a series of video demonstrations about this journal, and you can check them out on this channel, Creative Solace Studios. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I am now on the finishing touches. Even though I just finished the cover and the rest of the pages, I would now like to add 5 finishing touches to things about the journal or the pages that I would just like to make it more complete. The first added touch is to put my signature, my initials, and date on each page of the project. The second extra touch that I'll do is add some protection to some of the pages. The candle, the wax, is for anything that's sticky, like paint or ink. The workable fixative gives a little shine and just an added layer of protection for pages that might have extra thick supplies. I'll do this one outside. The third addition that I'd like to do to complete this journal is there are a couple pages that need to be touched up. There is one, here it is. This one, I missed a letter in here and I added it in later and it just looks too close. So I'm gonna touch up on that. Let's do a little redoing of that one glitter spot. The next additional thing that I would like to do is add some extra fibers. The last thing that I would like to do to finish up this 5 supplies in 5 minutes mini art journal is to go back to this page with the envelope and the blank card inside, and I like to write a note to myself. Things that I've learned about this project, how it has helped train my brain to do these fast sessions in here, and what I've gotten out of it personally. So I'll do that on my own off camera. That is the last finishing touch. Check out my next video, which will be a finished flip through the whole project. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Creative Solace Studios.